Hey guys, what's up? This is Kai here. So today I'm going to share with you my Q10 auction results for the past 5 months. Right. So previously I've told you about the auction that I've been trying testing out, and I did mention that I will share the results with you guys. So today, I'll take this chance to share with you all uh, the the results that I have. Okay, so that we can clear out your myth about whether if the Q10 auction really works. Okay, so let me proceed to the first on June 18. You can see I have done about three auction bids for that month, and out of out of all of these, uh, they were about uh, six, okay, five winning bids, and only two confirmed. Okay, but the thing is that it it, it shows that it does generates a revenue. And you must remember this, that this auction is free. Okay, is you don't have to pay for the marketing cost. You just have to pay for the service fee. And you can see on this column, right? This service fee is the same as the commission fee that you're paying, and in fact, auction is much cheaper than uh, the normal commission scheme, which is if you are just a normal seller, it's about 12%, whereas when you sell it in the auction, it is about 6%. Okay, so out of five bids, there are two confirmed, which means to say the probability is slightly about 40%, which is I feel is good. Okay, so let's proceed to July, and you see in July, uh, it looks better. It's 50%. Okay, eight winning bids and four purchase. Okay, and you can see the bid price here, and you can see that one of the price is quite uh, a huge revenue for me. Okay, and it really uh, it really helps you to increase uh, your revenue stream. Okay, if you really want to, if you don't really have much cost to spend on the marketing, on the advertising cost, because it's really expensive now. It really costs at least $2 to $5 minimum a day to just to bid for a single keyword. Whereas when you put in auctions, you get exposed to more uh, buyer that they are keen in the products that you have put it in, right? So in August, it's slightly lesser, okay, because five out of uh, two only confirm the purchase. Okay, and moving on to September, you can see because September I wasn't really putting in a lot of auction, so it was only once that I put in about four items. So I both have a confirmed purchase, which is 100% hit. Okay, so just last month, I put out about once a bid in uh, with four items in a single bid, and these well, out of three, two have confirmed. Okay, so the result is not fantastic. Okay, it's not fantastic, but it works, right? If you have more items, okay, and you put it in regularly, every week, because auction is minimum 7 days. Okay, so if you imagine if you put it every weeks, okay, on the item that you have. If you have about more than 10 items, you can put in about 5 items every week, 3 to 5 items every week, so as not to let people feel that your product is always on auction, right? Try to play around with all your different products, okay, to have a, because an auction is like a promotion, okay. You put in at a slightly lower price and limit the quantity, okay, limit the quantity that you have, so that you will create a scarcity for people to have the urgency to bid for the items. Okay, previously I have already created a video on how to teach you how to create an auction bid. So this is just a refresh. You can select either the auction or lucky auction. Okay, for lucky auction, it's just, you put, it will just automatically generate to see who is the winner. Okay, you can check from the question mark here that seller can choose the winning type by event type options. Okay, so the system will auto find the winner. Okay, so it doesn't matter which option you choose. Okay, both works. Okay, both works. And importantly, for lucky auctions, put it all customers, because this definitely you will expose to more people, right? The more people you have, the better chance of uh, getting people to place the auction, and the higher percentage to get people to purchase the products. It's just like a funnel, right? The sales funnel. When all customers, more customer bidding for a certain products, and then the you will filter out those people who are bidded, and then those people who have purchased. Okay, you streamline to to the customers that will be really buying from you. Okay, so the quantity of auction, just put about, a few items, probably 3 to 5, to create that kind of scarcity lah, that I have said. Okay, and for one thing for auctions, okay, I want to highlight is that you can have a maximum bidding. Is to say that if, let's say, the item cost for your item is about $6, and you put a maximum that, okay, by $9 you can close, you can have early closing. Okay, it means to say that if they bid at $9, they can straight away purchase the item. Okay, so this is something that but definitely this price has to be lower than your current selling price. Okay, if not, then what for customer want to place the auction with you, right? This makes sense, huh? Okay, so just try it out. I mean, there's no harm. It only takes about a few minutes of your time to create the auctions. Okay, and if there's additional income for you, why not? All right, so just do it. Okay, lastly, I have, that's all I have for you today, and I have something to leave for you, is that you want to be successful in e-commerce or in any business. First, you have to find a passion, and then you will find values. Okay, the thing is that if you're not passionate about selling something or doing something that you love or you like, how will you be able to understand what your customers wants and dislike? Okay, so it's really important not to just find a product that sells, but also find a product that you are passionate about, you have deep understanding, and therefore you will be able to get more values. Okay, finding the right product and giving them the values that they need. Okay, so that's all I have for you today, and um, yeah, if you have any comments, please put it in the video below. Okay, and let me know. Okay, thanks and have a nice day. Goodbye.